Hi friends, welcome back to Rachel Chidinma Crochet. Today I'll be sharing with you some quiz crochet sandals ideas in this 2024. Just watch out the slides. I already have tutorial videos on how to make these sandals, as in videos on how to crochet all these shoes and sandals. So rush now to my channel and watch out the videos how to crochet all these sandals and make one or two for your child or as a gift to your loved ones. Watch out the slides. I'll be uploading more tutorials on how to crochet different kinds of crochet items in this 2024. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Like and also share to your friends. So watch out the slides. You will see different beautiful ideas, different designs of kids sandals and shoes.